Hello everyone, my name is Olivier Gomez. Welcome to this exciting all-in talk session at GITEX 2024 here in Dubai. GITEX is one of the most renowned global technology exhibitions where companies are exhibiting groundbreaking advancement. I'm thrilled to be at this incredible event to discuss how intelligent technologies are shaping the future of industries. Today I'm meeting with Chao Liu, CEO of manufacturing and large enterprise businesses. I can't wait to hear from him about all the solutions they are showcasing at GITEX. Let's go find him. Guys, I'm now with Chao. Hello Chao, nice to meet you.
Hello, Oliver. Nice to meet you too.
Dubai is a bustling commercial hub with stunning architecture. I'm thrilled to be here and eager to learn about the digital and intelligent transformation of the building and retail industries. Can you share some insight with us?
Okay, sure. It's my pleasure. The building industry is changing. There's a growing need for product quality, marketing efficiency, cost reduction, and low carbon solutions. Externally, technology, consumer demand, and the policy are also driving the change. To stay competitive, it's now essential for companies to use smart technology. It's help them create intelligent, high quality, and green building spaces for customers. Digital transformation in retail is also speeding up, and it's centered around the people, products, and the places. We have evolved from using information technology to using data technology, and we are empowering not just management tools, but also business models. Retail service will be increasingly defined by personalization and customization. Smart retail based on this foundation will gain popularity.
So the digital transformation is accelerating and companies must evolve and adopt innovation. What can Huawei do to help building companies, retail companies, and other large enterprises?
We delve deep into the technologies, the experiences, and the ecosystems. We are collaborating with leading companies and partners. We are also leveraging our ICT products, including Wi-Fi 7, storage, optical networking, cloud, AI, and IoT. In the building industry, we offer solutions for creating smarter, greener, and more secure buildings like hotels, communities, and campuses. For retail, we focus on improving IT efficiency, making O&M easier, and meeting personalization needs. To achieve this, we have launched the Smart Retail Solution. This solution covers smart stores, smart warehousing, and energy saving. It's designed to accelerate the digital transformation for retailers.
Can you tell us more about these solutions? What are some practical examples where your solution have been deployed and help enterprises?
Let's look at the hotel industry first. High-quality network service are now essential. Huawei's hotel network solution uses fiber networks to carry services in various scenarios. Our latest Wi-Fi products ensure high-performance wireless coverage throughout the hotel, from the reception desk to the guest rooms and public areas. For example, we recently partnered with a hotel called Radisson Collection Hotel in Milan, Italy. We assisted its renovation with 159 guest rooms. Within high-quality Wi-Fi coverage, the hotel is able to provide guests with a unique experience. In the Philippines, we helped the resort upgrade its network with our FTTO solution. The hotel network is now green and simplified. This enables the hotel to improve the guest experience. For retail, our smart store solution uses SD-WAN to connect branches, stores, and the headquarters with ease. Retailers will be able to deploy 1,000 sites within just one day. In this solution, a single device can offer 6 functions. This simplifies the network architecture and provides a unified network for IoT applications. The ESL solution, developed by us and our partners, effectively solves the problem of low efficiency for paper labels. They also display more information which facilitate digital marketing. All these leads higher operation efficiency. After retail group adopted our solution, the store network rollout time was reduced from 7 days to 1 day. A team of 7 engineers can manage all networks for the group's global outlets. This lowers the OPEX by 18%.
That's really impressive. I'm eager to see them in action. Shall we continue our tour?
Sure, let's go.